In this video, you're gonna get the 0 to 10K content plan for online coaches, okay? In this video you're about to see, okay, this is literally what my coaches do to generate thousands of dollars in reoccurring revenue, okay? The exact formula that my coaches pay and people pay me $1,000 to teach them, okay? You're about to get it for free. So I encourage you, watch it in its entirety, subscribe if you have not. If you can't sit here and watch a 15, 20-minute video of me giving you value, of me telling you what post to make and you're not getting any lead flow, then you probably just don't want to be a successful online coach, and you might as well treat it like a hobby and just tune out this video, okay? But if you're ready to take action, I encourage you to take notes and apply it. And lastly, if you need help implementing any of this into your online coaching business, go ahead and check the link down below where you can book a call with my team and we'll help you get set up and we'll show you how easy it is to get to 10K a month. Enjoy. And before I go into it, okay, and I show you everything that I wrote out for you, okay, I'm going to show you how much this works. Brent, 9 clients, about $5,000 in MRR doing this. Rob, $6,000 in 2 days, right? You got Micah, 300 leads with this one post, okay? So this stuff works. So like I said, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you have not really zoned in, stop what you're doing and zone in, okay? We're going to go right into it, okay? So this is the 0 to 10K content plan for coaches, okay? So this is the exact, like when I bring a new coach in, this is like the new format. This was one of the original formats that I used. I changed it up a bit, but then I went back to this one, okay? So number one, like for week one, I would focus, like let's say you're starting off or you're rebuilding. Either way, it's going to work, or you just need more clients. Doesn't matter, okay? So week one, I would build the foundation, okay? So like I would have a content theme, okay? Let me prove that I know what I'm talking about. It's about being an authority figure in your niche, right? And this is where, like, I've used this before, like where you got to niche slap somebody sometimes, like, and you got to pick one niche. If you're just saying, I help men and women lose 20 pounds, and boring, tune off, okay? So what I would do is I would do 3 value posts. You teach one thing per post, okay? Like, even if you have no clients, right? Because if you've already, like, let's say you're offering people how to lose weight and you've already lost weight, I would consider that an expert. Okay, if you've done it, you are an expert. Doesn't matter if you have, doesn't matter if you're just starting off, okay, or you only have like a couple of clients, okay. So you want to do 3 value posts, okay. Teach one thing, build up some momentum, okay. The next thing is like one belief shift post, okay. Like what most coaches get wrong. What for me, it was like what most coaches. This is like the format that I use, by the way. Just let you know, I use this too. That's why I have what most coaches do, okay? So for you, it's like what people do wrong, right? So like what's the common things? Like people don't track their macros, or people think that they can't eat their favorite food, but they need to track their macros. Like what is that belief that your target avatar sees it as a, like for example, when women say, oh, I don't want to lift weights because I don't want to get big and bulky. That's a belief. What if I'm able to be like, hey, you can still squat 315, but guess what? You can go ahead and still be lean cuisine with the bubble butt. So, yeah, and I would do an intro post, like who you are, like a reintroduction, 3-story post, 3-story post, like market research qualifier leads, like you want to do posts, like stories is like the utmost importance, and just engaging stories. And if you do it every single day, like Micah, for example, who you just saw, did one story, generated 300 leads. No BS. You can fact check me, no problem. So what I teach, you're not here to entertain, you're here to build trust. If you don't post, they don't play. They don't pay. You're not, either you got to decide right now, are you an influencer or are you a business owner, right? Because if you're an influencer, like you're like, oh, well, I want to do both. You can make influence, right? But you're doing what you want to do, which is helping people lose weight, build muscle, whatever it is, okay? Whatever your offer is, okay? It doesn't matter if you're selling widgets, it's the same exact thing, okay? So you're not here to entertain, okay? You're here to give value, okay? I want you to understand this. Entertainment views will always do better. Entertainment videos will always do better than education videos. It just will. You might have heard me say it numerous times. It's common. It's going to happen. Accept it, okay? If you're there just kind of twerking it on camera, showing your butt in every angle, or just posting random stuff just to get attention, it's like, I would rather have 10 super fans than 100 people that are just regular fans. Because 10 super fans will pay every time you come out with something. So, you're not here to entertain. You're here to build trust. Week 2 is create demand. Make people want your help before you pitch. Like you got to get them to raise their hand, right? You don't want to be salesy and just always slide in their DMs, right? Which I'm a fan of the beginning of cold outreaching, like getting your reps in. I mean, I've met so many trainers that have entered my program, and clients that I've had when I was a personal trainer that were cold outreaching. So get your reps in, but like you want them to like feel like, okay, how can this guy solve my problem? right? Like, how can this guy help me lose weight? How can this guy help me or girl build muscle, whatever it is, okay? So, like, 2 carousel posts. Okay, carousel posts are amazing. Like, frameworks that get results, okay? Like, I, this could be you watching this. You're like, well, AJ, how much do I give away? How much do I give away? Look, your knowledge should always be free. There's knowledge everywhere. I can ask Chat GPT to give me advice like Alex Hermosi and how to start a 10K coaching business. I could. But why are you on this video? Because you need someone to implement. So give your information for free, okay? So like create carousel posts, okay? 2 case studies, even if it's your own journey, guys. Like I hear this all the time. Well, I don't got any clients. Okay, but like if you're helping people lose weight, do your own case study. This is how I lost 20 pounds. This is how one simple trick I did to build a 6-pack. Like use your own. You're credible. Stop like having a limiting belief that you're not, okay? 3 objection killers. This is my favorite because when coaches make that, it's like, hey, you can make a video being like, hey, for example, like let's say you're trying to help people, lose weight. They're like, hey, what if I were to tell you that you can afford a personal trainer without any extra costs? Let me explain. You see, now I'm shifting belief, and it could be like their budget or why they have, or like if they don't have time, which we hear all the time. Like you got to get creative with it. Okay. 5 story trainings, break down key topics with CTAs. Okay. So it's like, for example, like let's say you're talking about losing weight, hey, DM me weight to get more info, like, or DM me weight to learn more, whatever it is. Okay. The 10K way. Okay. This is my way. Every post should answer. Why should I trust you? Why should I trust you? Trust is like the most valuable asset to have. Trust. You need to have trust with your audience, whether it's 1 follower, 10,000 followers, 1,000,000. Trust is the best thing you can have. When you get someone to trust you, you will get them to give you their money. Okay. So week 3, make the pitch. Go test your offer. Okay, now start conversations. Like, here's how I can help you. 2 authority reels, talking heads or slide. Like, hey, like you can do one like what? Look on my Instagram, right? You see some talking head videos. Like, maybe this is how I can help you generate your first 5 clients. Like right now, you're watching this video, right? This will help you if you just put it into play. If you literally just put the framework in. If you literally just did this, you will get clients consistently. Because I know, because I've done it. I've seen my coaches do it, and you can do it. The only reason is why this will not work for you is if you just don't take action. You just watch me. You just watch me talk about it. So 2 authority reels, 3 CTA stories, DM ready for one-on-one help. Very, very simple. Like talking about your case study, maybe a rant video, whatever. 1 soft pitch, like talk about your offer. Like just make it simple. Like, hey, I know you guys been watching me. I want to open up my slots for 5 more online clients. If that sounds like you and you're ready to take action after watching all my videos, go ahead and comment this down below. Okay. 10 DMs per day from a poll replies. Guys, look, polls are often slept upon on Instagram stories. You guys probably use polls for like dumb things like pineapple on pizza. Like use it for your business and be consistent. If you get 1 person a day replying to a poll, that's 1 lead. That's 1 lead. Like switch your beliefs on that. Okay. So do not overcomplicate it. You don't need 10K followers to close high ticket. You need 10 real conversations. Okay. Literally, like I have coaches that are like at 200 followers, 300 followers, like that are making 10K. Like you don't need that many followers. You really don't. And I know some people in my field that's making way more money than me that has like not even a big following. So you'd be surprised. So week 4 and final, drive urgency, show results. Okay. The content theme would be others are winning. You can too. Like think about it. The framework right now. If you're still watching with me, still tuning with me. Okay. How did I start this video? I showed you everyone winning. And I'm telling you, you can do. If you put goal me. It's the same exact thing. Okay. Others are winning. You can too. My client's winning. I won. However it is you want to frame it. Okay. 1 last chance. You can create scarcity with this offer, right? 3 breakdowns of past wins. It could be your own wins if you have no clients or past clients. 2 Q&A styles rules. Like you can ask like you can make a questions on your Instagram story, and then whatever it is your offer, like literally whatever it is your offer is, and then you make a reel about that. Okay. Build trust. If people are still on the fence, it's because they don't believe it'll work for them. Fix that. Right. A lot of times, like a lot of people won't be ready to buy right away. And that pains me. I'm a salesman. I love sales because I love selling people into my program and seeing a new coach come in my program. And honestly, I can wholeheartedly tell you it has nothing to do with the money. It actually has to do with the fact that I know I can help them. So I know their life's about to change. Like I had a new coach enroll in the program a couple of days ago. The one, like Micah is the first one you saw, the one that you saw get 300 leads. My eyes were like, this is possible. And I'm like, yeah, it's possible. So like literally follow this framework. If you're still here watching this video and you want this Google Doc, go ahead and just message me on Instagram, official AJ Gonzalez. And I'll go ahead and send it over to you. But yeah, if you made it, if you're ready to take action, if you need to book a call, if you want one of my coaches to hop on a call with you and say, hey, yo, you ready to change your life? You ready to change your business? Check the link down below, and I will see you on the other side. Have a good day, and peace out, peeps.